Season's just about over, but now they're facing other challenges during the fall.
News Channel reporter Patricia Martellotti joins us live in Santa Barbara to explain. Patricia.
There are all kinds of patients at the Wildlife Center. Some are harder to treat than others. And here's some pretty cool video of 2 cormorant seabirds that were rescued. Check this out. This came from a GoPro, and you can see they're very excited to get out onto the beach. After weeks of treatment, the Santa Barbara Wildlife Care Network team brought the 2 cormorants to full recovery, but it wasn't easy, they say. Experts at the Wildlife Center say the 2 cormorants arrived weak, emaciated, and dehydrated about a month ago. And one of the hard parts about treating cormorants is they can be very aggressive. So to bring not 1 but 2 of these birds back to health was astonishing for the team.
It's really exciting to see these guys released because we worked really hard to get cormorants to the point where we can actually get them able to be released. So it's just really nice to be able to see them free again.
I mean, I hope they go on to live long lives and make more cormorants. That's what we're doing it for.
The birds spent about a month at the rehabilitation center, and I have to see, to get to be there watching those birds get released into the wild was pretty exciting for me as well. For now, live in Santa Barbara, I'm News Channel reporter Patricia Martellotti. Let's send it back to you in the studio.
All right, great to see. Thanks for that, Patricia.